Welcome to Out of the World, and we're still in the Caribbean, on the island of Barbados. And this is where we're staying, in Moonraker Beach Hotel. But first, some beautiful drone images of the trip so far. From the Dominican Republic, we hopped across 14 islands to the south. Unfortunately, I wasn't allowed to fly the drone in Barbados. But that didn't spoil the fun. From Dominica, we fly to Barbados in 1 hour. We immediately pick up a rental car so we can cruise around the island. Wow, this is waking up in style. We got a view of the beach over there, the sun is shining. We're having breakfast outside the room. And Jens is having breakfast too. Is your sandwich good? Does your face like it too? And your eyebrows? Today we're gonna make a little trip around the east coast of Barbados to see some nice beaches. Looking forward to it. This place is gorgeous. Our bright green apartment is located at Silver Sands Beach, on the southernmost tip of Barbados. It's wonderfully quiet here and the nature is all around. So it's time to explore the area. In just a 3-minute drive on the south coast, we find one of the best beaches. It's in Oyston, the village we are at. It's called Enterprise Beach, but to the locals it's also known as Miami Beach. The roads are quite nice in Barbados and you can get anywhere in no time. For example, from north to south it's only 1 hour. The population is about 280,000 and the people are super friendly. The most famous Barbadian, also called Bajans, is of course the singer Rihanna. Miami Beach is a wonderful start to our adventure in Barbados. And if there's one thing that Barbados is certainly in the top 3 of in the Caribbean, it's those pearly white beaches. Right, Jens? We chill at our resort and prepare for the big tour, because you can easily drive around Barbados in a day. It's a beautiful new day here on Barbados, and today we're gonna explore the west coast and the north side. We're just outside the capital of Bridgetown on the beach called Browns Beach. And if there's one thing that you really can't get enough of here on Barbados, it's the white beaches and the blue water. Amazing.
I've been thinking way too much about whether I'd even call this love. I'm always in my head, you're always on your phone. It never seems to feel right. No plane is in the sky, no help is on the way. I don't know what you want me to say. Can't take another year, can't take another day. Can't wait until it feels right.
Browns Beach happens to be the widest beach in Barbados and perhaps the entire Caribbean. Yet it's only a 5-minute walk from the capital, Bridgetown. Then we drive to the capital, which feels more like a large village. We explore the biggest sites, including the Parliament building, which was built in 1870.
I've never been scared to walk away, and you're making it easier for me. You probably wouldn't fight.
And all of this is UNESCO World Heritage.
And darling, that is messed up. No plane is in the sky, no help is on the way. I don't know what you want.
Another great place to make a stop on the east coast before we enter the north side is Paynes Bay.
Break away and find something that feels right.
Life's a beach in Barbados, especially in the south. But now we go cross-country to arrive in the much rockier north.
We drove a little bit more to the north, and way on the northern tip you will find Animal Flower Cave. It's a beautiful cave, and the surroundings and the rough sea are also beautiful to take a look at.
The landscape here is completely different, but still very impressive. Between the cliffs we also find a cave that we can enter. For about 15 bucks we buy a ticket for the special Animal Flower Cave. This cave was discovered in 1780 by 2 English explorers. They found sea anemones in the cave, which were locally called animal flowers. We continue along the east coast, and this road is incredibly beautiful to drive by car.
Our final stop over on the east coast of Barbados is Bathsheba. It's a village that's not so special in particular, but if you see the coastline over here, the big rocks, the beaches, it all reminds me of Australia, like the Great Ocean Road.
In the 1960s, this became a famous surfing spot. Because of the bowling waves and the white foam, they came up with the name Soup Bowl. We drive a little further up the mountain, and along the way we have a great view on the Soup Bowl. For the last part of our tour we go off-road, because the roughest beach is in a hidden location between the high rocks.
We're over in the southeast and we come across Paynes Bay, with its beautiful rough nature. And you know what they say, right? Started from the bottom, now we here.
This is the ultimate castaway beach, you know, where Tom Hanks was yelling, "Wilson!" Or the beautiful setting of a Pirates movie. And there's no one here but us. At the end of the grand tour around the island, we're exhausted.
And that's about it for this episode, but you see me soon in the next episode. Goodbye, Barbados. Whoa!
And we're moving on, because next time you'll see Martinique. And many more Caribbean islands. So don't forget to subscribe. Ciao!